Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will be discussing synthetic carpets and why they are fantastic choice for your home. Synthetic carpets offer a perfect combination of style, comfort and durability, making them an ideal flooring option for various spaces. Join us as we explore the benefits of synthetic carpets, different styles and patterns available, and tips for maintenance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Let's get started. Introduction to synthetic carpets. Synthetic carpets are made from man-made fibers such as nylon, polyester or polypropylene. These fibers offer several advantages over natural materials, including increased durability, stain resistance, and affordability. We will discuss why synthetic carpets have become a popular choice for homeowners and the versatility of they offer in terms of style and design. Synthetic carpets come in a wide range of styles and patterns, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your home's decor. We will explore different options such as plush carpets, textured carpets, and patterned carpets. Discover how each style can enhance the aesthetic of your space and create a welcoming atmosphere. Durability and stain resistance. One of key benefits of synthetic carpets is their exceptional durability. We will discuss how the fibers used in synthetic carpets are engineered to withstand heavy foot traffic, making them suitable for high traffic areas such as living rooms and hallways. Additionally, we will explore the stain resistant properties of synthetic carpets and how they make cleaning and maintenance of a breeze. Comfort and softness. Synthetic carpets not only offer durability but also provide a comfortable and soft underfoot feel. We will discuss the cushioning properties of synthetic carpets and how they can add an extra layer of comfort to your home. Discover how a plush and synthetic carpet can make your living space cozy and inviting. Budget friendly options. Synthetic carpets are an affordable flooring option compared to natural materials like wool or silk. We will discuss the cost effectiveness of synthetic carpets and how they provide excellent value for your money without compromising your quality and style. Discover how you can achieve a beautiful and durable flooring solution within your budget. Maintaining tips. Proper maintaining is essential to keep your synthetic carpets looking their best. We will share some maintenance tips and including regular vacuuming, prompt stain removal and professional cleaning when needed. Discover how to extend the lifespan of your synthetic carpets and maintain their vibrant appearance of years to come. That concludes our video on synthetic carpet styles and durability for your home. We hope you enjoyed this video and gave insights into the benefits of synthetic carpets and the various options available. If you are considering new flooring for your home, synthetic carpets are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and design ideas. We will see you in the next video.